So for this one, you're gonna be in a 4-point position. Looking at me from the side, try and draw the head back. So I got a neutral spine, 3 points of contact. You're just gonna gently exhale as you come down, and then inhale as you come up. And the goal is to turn looking towards the ceiling. It's tough. If you can't get all the way, just go as far as you comfortably can, but lead with your eyes. So as weird as it sounds, look with your eyeballs, and the head's gonna follow. So you're just coming through this motion. Huge contraction all along your rear delts and your lats. So these muscles are contracting, rotating the spine as you stay locked in the hips. So it's pretty much all upper back rotation, but maintain neutral spine and strong support arms. So when you're doing it, don't sink or collapse with this stability arm. Push away. So you're gonna come down, tap the elbow to the forearm, rotate all the way up.